Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will be doing practical geometry, and in the earlier one we have studied what how do are we drawing triangles where three sides are given. Now we will learn how to draw a triangle when there is one side, one angle and another side is given. Okay, so this is what we will be going ahead and seeing how the construction is. Now coming to the first question. So we have DE, just a rough diagram. We have DE which is 5 centimeter. Okay. And then we have a DF which is 3 centimeter. Whereas angle D is making a 90 degree. So I will be drawing a 90 degree, cutting here an F with 3 centimeter and joining this. So we will be doing that construction now. So we will do this now. So first I will draw a line. As we are doing, I'll draw a line. Then I will take the scale. I will take 5 centimeter on the scale. So keeping this at 0. I will be taking 5 centimeter. Okay, I will be taking 5 centimeter. So it's at 5 centimeter. I'll lock it, and next I will take the compass. I'll take the compass and bring it at the point over here, and I will draw an arc. I will draw an arc. So this point was D, this became E. So angle D, as I said, is 90 degree. So how do I draw a 90 degree? Okay, how do I draw 90 degree? So without using protractor, as it is a construction, I will not be using any protractor. So what I will do, I will bring this line more shorter, and I can bisect the line and do 90 degree. And here what I will be doing, okay, so I will draw the arc. Then what I will do, I will draw a 60 degree. How do I draw a 60 degree? I draw a 60 degree by just taking the same radius and cutting an arc. This is 60 degree. From here if I draw another arc, this makes 60 plus 60 120, and I will bisect in between. So 60 and half of 60 is 30. So 60 plus 30 is 90. I am bisecting it. So this is 90 degree. I've got this as 90 degree. So I can always bring my scale and then I will draw this line 90 degree. Okay. So I will draw this 90 degree. Alright. So see, this would be 90 degree. So I'll join it. After this, what is that length that I need to take? I need to take, this is 5 centimeter, D is 5 centimeter and DF is 3 centimeter. I will take the compass. I will take the compass and measure 3 centimeter. So I have measured 3 centimeter. Once I have measured 3 centimeter, what will I do? I will bring the compass over here at this point which is there, and then I will cut this arc. So I will cut here an arc. Once I cut here an arc, I have got 2 points. This particular area that I have is, this is F. So now I will join E and F. So you will have to draw a line from E and F, which will join E and F. Use a scale and draw the line. So this is how you will draw triangle DEF. Okay. Next question. Construct an isosceles triangle. So let us see. I will have to draw an isosceles triangle. So isosceles means, triangle means two sides are equal. So with 6.5, the equal sides are 6.5, and the angle in between them, this is given 110 degree. So this will look something like this. So this both are 6.5 and this is 110 degree. So here I will be using a protractor. So now I am going to go ahead. There is no name for the triangle, so I will go ahead. Okay, so here again we are going to draw a line of any measurement. Fine. Once I draw a line of any measurement, what I will do, I will mark a point, and once I mark a point, I will be taking 6.5. So I bring the compass. So 0 here, and I am going to take 6.5. 6.5. So this is the measurement that I am going to take. So now what I am going to do, I am going to carry this compass down at this point and make a measurement of 6.5. So I am going to make a measurement of 6.5 and cut an arc. The same thing I will have to cut at 110 degree. So I'll just keep the compass away. I'll take the protractor, get my protractor ready. So this is the point. I'll keep my protractor 0 to coincide with 0 of this. Fine. And I will take 110 degree and draw the line. Over here is 110 degree. So I've extended it. This is 110 degree. Then I bring in the compass here and I will cut this arc. I will cut this arc. So this both are joining. After this both join, then what I will be doing, I will join this both points. So I will just join this both points. Okay. So now this will become, some say X, Y and Z. Triangle XYZ. This is 6.5 each. And this is 110 degree. Just note that down. Okay. Sure. Next question. The next question states, construct triangle ABC where BC is 7.5, AC is 5 and angle C is 60 degree. So here also it is construction of angle. So just to give it an overview, so I have angle C. So I can have as angle ABC. So angle C is 60 degree and BC is 7.5 and AC is 5. So this is what I will be drawing. So I'll draw it here. First I will draw a line of any measurement. Then what I will be doing, I will take 7.5 centimeter on my compass. centimeter on my compass, and then I will be drawing this point as, this is BC. So this, as I said you, this is B and this is C. So angle C is 60 degree. So to draw 60 degree, what we are doing, we are taking any radius. I am taking it as any radius and I am drawing it. So here, so I am drawing an arc of any radius, and then I am taking the same, pointing it down at this point, and I am going to cut the previous arc. So I am going to cut this previous arc. So this is making 60 degree. So now what I will be doing, I will be joining this point. I will be joining the points and extending. I will be joining the points and extending. So you will use a scale to do this. So extend it. Next, it is said AC is, after this I'll take AC as 5 centimeter. So here I will take AC as 5 centimeter. So taking this, putting the compass needle over here, and then I will be cutting the arc here as AC. Fine. So this is C. So this is C. Sorry, this is A. This is A. Okay. So now I will be joining this both. I will be joining this point with A with, I will be joining A with B. I will be joining A with B. So this is the triangle that we have. Okay, that's it. Thank you.